Thank you for purchasing a Jorestech hard hat. Get the most out of your helmet by watching this short tutorial, where you can learn how to replace and adjust the suspension. Begin by placing your hat on a comfortable work surface, with the suspension facing upwards. Remove the 4 lamp carrying clips by pressing their anchoring hooks towards each other, releasing them from the helmet slot. Pull them out and set them aside. Remove all 6 suspension keys by pulling them firmly out of their socket. Locate the anchor that connects the chin strap to the suspension and unfasten the snap lock that holds it in place. Remove the used suspension. This hard hat comes with a standard fitting, but features multiple adjustment points that can be modified to achieve a more personalized fit. If you would like to modify your hard hat's positioning, begin by locating the small anchors that connect the suspension keys to the headband. Turn each suspension key until it is detached from the headband and reinsert it into the desired adjustment hole. Both sides of the suspension must be modified symmetrically to preserve proper balance and protection. To adjust the height of the suspension, move vertically. To adjust its aperture and horizontal positioning, move horizontally. Once you have adjusted your new suspension, make sure that the pull and twist adjustment knob is placed at the back of your hard hat. Once your new suspension has been installed, thread the chin straps through the back opening of the suspension as shown. Allow them to hang over the sides of the helmet as you continue. Insert the suspension's lock keys back into your hard hat. To make sure they are properly inserted, press firmly until you hear a clicking noise. Attach both chin straps to your new suspension by connecting the snap lock at the end of the strap to its respective slot. One by one, thread each headlamp strap between the suspension and the helmet shell, and then insert them into the mounting slot. Once a strap has been properly inserted, introduce the lamp clip through the strap loop as shown. To lock the lamp clip in place, simply push it into the slot and press firmly until you hear a clicking noise. Repeat this process on all 4 headlamp clips. Make sure that your 6-point suspension is properly attached and firmly in place. Your hat is now ready for use. Thank you for allowing us to help you. For more information regarding our Jorestech products, contact us or visit our store.